We are beloved and we enable the community to act on the bee crisis by selling beeswax candles. 1/3 of all food produced in North America depends on pollination by bees. However, national surveys indicate that beekeepers in the US have lost between 35 to 46% of their hives annually within the last decade. The bee population crisis doesn't just affect bees, but also beekeepers and bee enthusiasts. After discussion with Penn State researchers Dr. Irby and Dr. Underwood, we realized that the decline of populations of both honeybees and wild bees is closely related to malnutrition, which forces them to feed on crops that are usually polluted with deadly pesticides. Beekeepers play a significant role in the pollination of crops. However, 70% of new beekeepers quit within the first 2 years due to financial constraints and huge input costs. It is hard for them to recover from a 40% annual loss of hives. We conducted a survey in January 2020 of 195 people. 37% of survey participants said they are very concerned about the bee crisis. There are a plethora of platforms to get information about the bee crisis, but there's no platform that educates people on how to act on the bee crisis. Here's where we come in. At Beeloved, we source 100% beeswax from local beekeepers, manufacture candles out of it, package them in recyclable bee-themed containers, and sell them on our e-commerce platform. According to Grandview Research, candle sales in the US are expected to be around $2.5 billion annually. From 2019 to 2025, the online segment is expected to witness growth at a rate of 9.2%. For our target customers, they are 15 to 40-year-old females. Our survey shows the customers are willing to pay 30% more for beeswax than paraffin or soy wax candles.
We are not just a candle seller. To create a large impact, we will provide 2 packets of wildflower seeds per candle. We encourage our customers to plant these seeds. These unpolluted flowers will be diverse and will be the preferred food source for bees. Besides, we will use profits to create a scholarship fund for new beekeepers. For every 100 candles we sell, we will introduce a high-quality honey beehive for an individual who just started their business experience. After talking to beekeepers, we have found an extra beehive will increase a beekeeper's profits by over $800 per year. The scholarship fund will not only encourage the existing startup beekeepers to keep their habits and careers by lowering the financial barriers and risks, but also encourage new beekeeping business. Along with the online candle store, we will manage a Beeloved community. We will work closely with the Penn State Center for Pollinator Research, posting up-to-date bee research, bee-related knowledge, and specific methods of combating bee crisis. Meanwhile, we will rally volunteers among our community for citizen science projects created by these researchers. By giving bee lovers the hand-on opportunities, we will turn their awareness of helping bees into action. By the end of the first year, we aim to sell 1,500 candles. With that, we will obtain a net sale of $40,000, resulting in a net earning of around $5,000. Once 1,500 candles are sold, 60,000 square feet of floral landscape will be created. 15 honey beehives will be installed, and we expect to have 1,000 people involved in our community. At Beeloved, we use beeswax candles to help combat the bee crisis, sustain beekeepers, and lower the barrier for communities to act on the bee crisis. Thank you for watching.